We're going to do a video on this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. As you can see, this car has the black S appearance package on it. It's a brand new car, comes with full warranty. You've got the white exterior paint, nice lights here. We'll show you inside of the hood as well. Like I said, this is a showroom car, so we keep it inside here. So everything's clean, ready for sale. Okay, so this is a fully integrated VMI system. So with the vehicle unlocked, we're just gonna click twice on the door button here. It'll activate the door open sequence. The door's gonna open, the ramp's gonna start coming out, and then the wheels down as well. And then we'll show you how the wheelchair rolls here. Just slightly less room than the Toyota Sienna, but it's very similar. Overall, very nice interior here. You're gonna have the TV screens on the back and the headrest. Black leather interior here. Tons of great features. So come out, we're just gonna rotate it here, and then we come out forward. So full size wheelchair can spin around 360 degrees for ease of use. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if this would work for you.